Friends, welcome to Royal Chess Club. My name is Murugan. I am a federating chess player and chess coach. This video I give 3 important tips. First tips: control the center. These 4 square center squares d4, d5, e4, e5. These 4 square center squares. White first move e4, control the d5 square and f5 square. These 2 squares very important. d5 is very important. Control the opponent pawn. Black play e5. Control the d4 and f4 square. Next tips: develop your pieces. Knight f3. Control these 2 squares. Knight c6. Control the d4 and e5 defense. Knight defends the pawn. Second, develop your bishop. Knight. Third tips: king safety, castle. Castle, king safety, and rook fast development. If you like this video, give me a like, share with friends, subscribe Royal Chess Club. Thank you.